Hello guys and welcome back again to your favorite YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to claim your home on realtor.com. The very first thing that you gotta do is of course to go to the right domain, right website, realtor.com right here, and then from that point on of course log in or sign up to your account. Once you're done with that, so what you gotta do, go to my home here. You have this center screen menu, buy, sell, rent, mortgage and so on, my home. Once you press on it, yeah, that's right, realtor.com, my home. Track your home's worth with real value ATM tools, so you need to enter your home address right here. It's that easy. Real value right here, you can see you can get current property estimates for your home. You can see you can explore projects that could add the most value to your home. You find skilled pros near you to assist you with your next remodeling project. You have choose a photo to redesign your home instantly. Learn how much you can make by hosting your home or Airbnb, and of course calculate an estimate of how much you could make selling your home. Once you type in here your home address, here you can check it out. Claim your home. Well, simply go to realtor.com/myhome. Yeah, that's about it. Here we are. And then enter your address and click Claim My Home to start using the dashboard. That's about it. You can also track multiple homes too. Claim another home, click Own Another Home and enter the address. Users who claim multiple homes will now see each one displayed on their My Home main page and can drill down into the dashboards for more information about each home. So, also, we talked about it. You can see your estimated value of your home, your property details and images and so on. But here is the quick, easy steps for you. From this point on, my home, just type in your home address and that's about it. Claim your home and enjoy in plenty of benefits that realtor.com is offering to you. Thank you for watching this video, and until the next time, goodbye.